Okay, so hi guys. I'm going to show you how to do the typing test. So you have to go to thetypingcat.com, and then you don't need to sign up or anything, but you have to go into the typing test button, click that button, and then as you can see, I'm in the 1 minute. So if you're not in there already, click on the 1 minute, and you'll be in the 1 minute. Okay? And then it says test will begin when you type first character. Press any key to continue. I know we press enter, but you can, as it says, you can press any key. And now I start the typing test. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have a typing speed of 56 WPM. Now, so record a video of yourself, like typing and everything, so that we can see that you're actually doing it. If you don't do that, then we don't know that you're actually typing the thing. So please do that. And yeah, that's basically it. I have a typing speed of 56 WPM. Yeah. Bye.